Now we are going to look into the real life examples of many successful people who have taken all these actions, who have really went through all these steps and achieved lot of financial abundance in their lives. जहाँ पे भी हम लोग फोकस करते हैं वो थॉट एक्सपांड होता है। पूछते हैं कि रोज करने से बोर होता है। अगर आपके लाइफ में ऐसा पॉइंट हो रहा है कि बहुत सारे नेगेटिव थॉट्स आ रहे हैं, सो यू कैन chant these switch words that important that you have to trust the process, you have to let go. See, every day is not the same. If you have attracted money today, tomorrow there might be a possibility that you might not attract money tomorrow. या मैं डिले करता हूँ चीजें करने के लिए, डिले करती हूँ चीजें करने के लिए. So every time whenever they meet me na, I tell them that it is very important to, whenever I wanted to manifest money in my life, I used to, जब तक आप क्लियर नहीं लिखेंगे तब तक आप चीजें मैनिफेस्ट नहीं कर पाएंगे. अट्रैक्ट मनी इन आवर लाइफ, okay, from our mind to our bank account. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Cosmic Connect, and today we are going to look into one interesting topic, that is how to transfer money from your mind to your bank account. So let's get started. Now first let's understand what is manifestation. Manifestation is turning your thoughts, your actions into reality. Okay, so basically for abundance we are going to turn our thoughts, our intentions, our actions to manifest the abundance in our lives. हम लोग क्या करने वाले हैं? We are going to achieve that financial mindset, that abundant mindset. Okay, so that is important. If you are in the scarcity mindset, it is difficult for you to attract money in your life. It is very important to clarify our intentions. जब तक आप क्लियरली यूनिवर्स को संकेत नहीं देने वाले हैं, इट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू मैनिफेस्ट थिंग्स इन अ फास्टर वे. सो क्लैरिफाई योर इंटेंशन. what does financial abundance mean to you? Okay, whether it is starting your business, whether it is getting a promotion, whether it is to achieve success in your career. So basically you have to clarify your intention, you have to write your goals down clearly and specifically. That is very important. The more clear, the more better. What does financial abundance mean to you? क्या आप कुछ इन्वेस्टमेंट्स करना चाहते हैं या आप एक स्पेसिफिक अमाउंट मैनिफेस्ट करना चाहते हैं? सो राइट दैट अमाउंट डाउन क्लियरली. व्हाट काइंड ऑफ प्रमोशन डू यू वांट? आप कौन सा बिजनेस करना चाहते हैं, कैसा करना चाहते हैं, व्हाट आर सोर्सेज अवेलेबल टू यू? तो ये सारी चीजें आपको डिटेल्ड लिखना है. डिटेल्ड स्टेप बाय स्टेप यू हैव टू राइट. Okay, so it is very important to write as if you are telling a story to someone. Specific एक डिटेल आपको लिखना है. So that is very important. The more it is easy, the more it is better. Okay, जब तक आप क्लियर नहीं लिखेंगे तब तक आप चीजें मैनिफेस्ट नहीं कर पाएंगे. तो easy and clear लिखना बहुत जरूरी है. Now the next step is you have to turn your thoughts into action. सिर्फ आपको ये स्पेसिफिक बिजनेस करना है या आपको ये इन्वेस्टमेंट्स करना है, ये तो गोल हो गया. लेकिन ये गोल अचीव करने के लिए, फॉर यू टू मैनिफेस्ट दिस गोल, इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू जॉट डाउन द टैंजिबल स्टेप्स. यहाँ तक हम लोग कैसे पहुंचने वाले? व्हाट आर द स्किल्स दैट यू रिक्वायर टू अचीव दिस गोल? ओके, वेदर इट इज कोलैबोरेटिंग और इन्वेस्टिंग विद लाइक-minded individuals, or there is someone who is going to help you with this business, or if there is any family member or any partner or any friend who is going to help you, then are the financial sources available. तो आपको ये स्टेप बाय स्टेप लिखना है. अगर फाइनेंशियल सोर्सेज नहीं है अवेलेबल तो आपके क्या सोर्सेज है, कैसे आप आपका इनकम डबल कर सकते हैं, या कुछ अलग अलग सोर्सेज से आप आपका इनकम ग्रोथ जो है वो पहले से 2 गुना कर सकते हैं, बढ़ा सकते हैं, प्रॉफिट बढ़ा सकते हैं, सो दैट यू अचीव योर गोल. सो टैंजिबल स्टेप्स जॉट डाउन करना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज विजुअलाइजेशन. ये आपको रोज करना जरूरी है, क्योंकि आप एक्शन नहीं ले पाएंगे जब तक आप विजुअलाइज नहीं करेंगे. सो एवर अ पर्सन इज मैनिफेस्टिंग सम और अदर थिंग इन लाइफ, जब आप विजुअलाइज करते हैं तब आप ऐसे पोजीशन में आ जाता है कि ज्यादा से ज्यादा उस चीज के लिए एक्शन लेते हैं. ओके, सो आई पर्सनली हैव नोटिस्ड दिस फॉर माई सेल्फ. आई वॉन्टेड टू मैनिफेस्ट वेट लॉस फॉर माई सेल्फ. जब मैं विजुअलाइज करती थी तब जाके मैं ज्यादा एनर्जी से, मोटिवेशन से वो एक्शन लेती. ओके, एंड one more example I'll give here. Whenever I wanted to manifest money in my life, I used to get up in the morning and visualize that large sums of money is coming to me through different sources. और तब जाके जब मैं ये विजुअलाइज करती थी, आई वॉज मोर लाइकली टू टेक एक्शन टवर्ड्स इट. ओके, सो मेनी टाइम्स क्या होता है कि बहुत क्लाइंट्स आते हैं या बहुत लोग मुझसे पूछते हैं कि मुझे लेजीनेस फील होता है, मुझे लथार्जिक होता है, या मैं डिले करता हूँ चीजें करने के लिए, डिले करती हूँ चीजें करने के लिए. So every time whenever they meet me ना, I tell them that it is very important to visualize. अगर आप visualize नहीं करोगे तो आप उसी एनर्जी में रहोगे, उसी बोर्डम और उसी प्रोक्रेस्टिनेशन एनर्जी में रहोगे. तो बेटर इज स्टार्ट विजुअलाइजिंग सो दैट यू कैन टेक एक्शन as fast as possible. Okay, so this step of visualization and visualizing every day is going to strengthen your action process towards the goals. Visualization is also going to increase your belief in success. Now the next step is practice gratitude. ग्रैटिट्यूड अगर आप रोज प्रैक्टिस करेंगे तो आप ज्यादा से ज्यादा चीजें आपके लाइफ में मैनिफेस्ट करेंगे. Okay, so it is very important to practice gratitude because it is going to align you with the abundance energy. Okay, so you are going to most likely attract all the abundant outcomes in your life. Okay, so it is very important to appreciate the small things which we have in life, and it is really going to set your mind into that positive energy and into that positive vibration, and is going to help you to attract more and more positive outcomes in your life. Next is you have to trust the process. Okay, manifestation sometimes takes time, so it is very important for us to be consistent and to stay positive while doing all these manifestation process where we have to attract money in our life. Okay, from our mind to our bank account. It is very important that you have to trust the process. You have to let go. See, every day is not the same. If you have attracted money today, tomorrow there might be a possibility that you might not attract money tomorrow because there are many negative blockages coming in. Okay, so it is very important to stay positive. अगर आपके लाइफ में ऐसा पॉइंट हो रहा है कि बहुत सारे नेगेटिव थॉट्स आ रहे हैं, so you can chant these switch words, that is purge, cancel or cut, clear, delete. That is going to really help you to cut that negative thought which is coming in between your manifestation. So it is very important to stay consistent. देखिए, अगर आपको वेट लॉस या कोई भी चीज मैनिफेस्ट करना है, प्रैक्टिस बहुत जरूरी है. अगर आपको अच्छा कोरियोग्राफर भी बनना है, अच्छा सिंगर बनना है, तो आप प्रैक्टिस करेंगे तब जाके आप अच्छा कोरियोग्राफर या अच्छी कोरियोग्राफर या अच्छी सिंगर, अच्छे एक्टर, कोई भी चीज, ओके, अच्छा शेफ बन सकते हैं. तो मैनिफेस्टेशन ऑल्सो नीड्स that consistency, that practice, because every day some or the other time the negative blockages are coming in. So we have to remove those blockages and set our mind in that positive vibration. So it is important to practice it every day. बहुत से clients भी मुझसे पूछते हैं, students भी मुझसे पूछते हैं कि रोज करने से बोर होता है. कोई भी चीज प्रैक्टिस के सिवाय अचीव नहीं होती. तो stay consistent, trust the process and practice every day. Okay, one or the other day if you skip, कुछ तो बहुत ही urgent आ गया, no issues, again you can start from tomorrow, but try to be on track. That is very important. Okay, so trusting the process is going to attract lot of abundance, lot of money in your life. जहाँ पे भी हम लोग फोकस करते हैं वो थॉट एक्सपांड होता है. So always focus on abundance, focus on money so that it expands in your life, and don't focus on negative thoughts or negative energies. Okay, so that is very important. Now we are going to look into the real life examples of many successful people who have taken all these actions, who have really went through all these steps and achieved a lot of financial abundance in their lives.
Oprah Winfrey. Oprah often speaks about the power of visualization and positive thinking. She used these practices to overcome significant obstacles in her life and build a media empire. Jim Carrey. Before he became a household name, he wrote himself a check of $10 million for acting services rendered and dated it for Thanksgiving 1995. He kept it in his wallet and eventually received a role that paid him that amount. Rhonda Byrne, the author of The Secret, focused on the law of attraction, believing that positive thinking could lead to wealth. Her book and the film generated significant financial success. Tony Robbins. As a motivational speaker and life coach, Robin emphasizes the importance of mindset in achieving success. His seminars and books have created a multi-million-dollar business. Sarah, the founder of Spanx, believed in her vision for a new type of shapewear and manifested her success through perseverance and visualization techniques, leading her to become the youngest self-made female billionaire.
These examples really showcase how abundant mindset plays an important role, and how if we manifestation steps every day, we can achieve a lot of financial abundance in our lives.
To recap, clarify your intentions, take action, visualize your success, practice gratitude, and trust the process. By doing this, you can manifest the financial abundance you desire. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share your manifestation journey in the comments below.
Do try all these steps, and if you want to share this video with your loved one, do share it. And if you have liked this video, then click the subscribe button and stay updated. Thank you so much, everyone. Gratitude always.